This 2025 Grand Design Imagine AIM 14 Mega Siemens is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 17 feet 11 inches in length and features a Brynlee Teak interior, sleeps 2, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, stovetop burner, external shower, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, leveling jacks, LP detector, awning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Imagine AIM 14 Mega Siemens is 3,964 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.